Hello friends, I am Prachi. This is the part 2 of illumination. So, today's our topic is illumination, unit number 1, utilization of electrical energy. In the last video, we see the definition of illumination. What is illumination? Their concept, formula and units of illumination. Also the definition of light, depreciation factor, mean spherical candle power and how the MCQs are asked on this topic. Also we see in the last video. Also we see the plane angle, what is plane angle, what is solid angle, depreciation factor, maintenance factor, and now today we see the source of light. This is also very important topic in this unit, and the most of these questions in MCQs type are asked in these topics. So these are also we discuss in this. So now we start source of light. Which source of light are? So the following are the light sources. First is fluorescent tube, second is mercury vapor lamp, third is sodium vapor lamp, fourth is compact fluorescent lamp, that is CFL, fifth is metal halide lamp. These are the five sources of light, and the explanation of this is that first is fluorescent lamp or fluorescent tube. So this is the picture of fluorescent tube, and here see what is fluorescent tube. It is a discharge lamp. मीन्स ये क्या है, एक डिस्चार्ज लैम्प है इन विच फॉस्फोरस सब्सटेंसेस व्हेन फ्लूडेड विथ अल्ट्रा वायलेट लाइट. इसमें क्या होते हैं, फॉस्फोरस सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं और वो क्या होते हैं, फ्लूडेड विथ अल्ट्रा वायलेट लाइट. व्हेन फ्लूडेड विथ अल्ट्रा वायलेट लाइट रेडिएट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ विजिबल लाइट. जबकि ये फ्लूडेड होते हैं फॉस्फोरस substances when flooded with ultraviolet light radiate it in the form of visible light. Then second is fluorescent tube are available at, means ये 40 watt and 36 watt पे available है. means fluorescent tube are available at 40 watt and 36 watt. So the which questions are asked in the MCQs type for this topic. So means fluorescent tube are available at which rate? So our answer is 40 watt and 36 watt, or 40 watt to 36 watt. Or also the question is asked like it is which lamp? So our answer is it is a discharge lamp. And which material in this? The phosphorus substances. So this is about the fluorescent tube. Then here see the construction of fluorescent tube. This is also very important. Means which gas is present in fluorescent tube? This question is asked in exam. So our answer is argon gas is present in fluorescent tube. So this is see the electrode. See this is electrode, then starter switch, then phosphorus coating. This is the phosphorus coating. Then pins. These are the pins. Then the ballast. This is all the ballast. Then AC supply. We give the AC supply to this. Then in this present the argon gas. Gas is present in this. Then mercury is also present in the fluorescent tube. So this is the construction of fluorescent tube. This is very important. So now we see this is the picture of fluorescent tube. Then advantages of this. First is light emitted is similar to the natural light. मीन्स इससे जो लाइट इमिट होता है वो कैसा होता है, नेचुरल लाइट की तरह होता है. नो ग्लेयर आर ऑब्जर्व, इसमें ग्लेयर ऑब्जर्व नहीं होती. नो शैडोज आर ऑब्जर्व, शैडो भी नहीं. लॉन्ग लाइफ, और इसकी लाइफ कैसे लॉन्ग है, इसलिए ये एडवांटेजेस है. मीन्स लाइट emitted is similar to the natural light, then no glare are observed, no shadows are observed, and long life. So this is very advantageous for us. Then disadvantages of this: initial cost is more than incandescent lamp, power factor is not unity, then starting time is more than other lamp. स्टार्टिंग टाइम ये चालू होने में ज़्यादा लेता है. ये इसका एक डिसएडवांटेजेस है. देन एप्लीकेशंस. So first is industrial lighting and second is street lighting. So these are the two applications of this. So these are the advantages, disadvantages, application, construction of the fluorescent tube. Then second is source of light is mercury vapor lamp. So here see the mercury vapor lamp diagram or see the pictures. This is first is the choke. Here see the choke, then argon mercury also in this. Then inner tube, outer tube with fluorescent coating from inside. Space is evacuated. A B C R इलेक्ट्रोड, R is resistance. मीन्स इसमें जो दिख रहा है A B C, these are the electrodes and R is the resistance. So this is the mercury vapor lamp. Then we see the specifications of mercury vapor lamp. So voltage is 250 to 400, wattage is 250 to 400 watt, supply is AC supply and frequency is 50 hertz. So application is that street lighting, railway yards, stadium flood, lighting centers, industrial installation. So the applications of fluorescent lamp is that street lighting and industrial lighting, but the applications of mercury vapor lamp are street lighting also, railways yards, stadium flood, lighting centers, industrial installation. So these are the applications of mercury vapor lamp. Questions asked on this specifications of mercury vapor lamp. So this is very important. Note that. Then third source of light is sodium vapor lamp. Here see, this is the construction of sodium vapor lamp. Then first of all we give the main supply. Then auto transformer having high leakage reactance. Insulations here present. Then inner V-shaped tube, neon gas plus sodium in this. Then double walled outer tube and inner tube both are present in this. Then these are to the electrode. So this is the construction about the sodium vapor lamp. Then we see the advantages and disadvantages, also the applications of sodium vapor lamp. Here see, advantages is that efficiency of lamp is about 110 lumens per watt. So this is the efficiency of lamp is about 110 lumens per watt. Then disadvantages of this, it cannot be restart immediately after stoppage. This is important. Then second, lamp should be operated only in horizontal position to avoid the collection of sodium at one end. The light emitted is of yellow glow. Without capacitor, power factor of the circuit is low. So these are the disadvantages of this. Question of this asks what is the power factor of the sodium vapor lamp? So our answer is power factor of the circuit is low. And the applications is that it can be used for street lighting, railway yards, light park and lightning, etc. So this is the application of this. Then